Hello everyone, this is Mansi Tatia and we are at the 6th Persona Fest happening at the MIT ADT University. I have the CEO and founder of Cos IQ, Miss Kanika. Hello ma'am.
Hi.
So ma'am, how is your journey of Cos IQ till date and how did you initially start up and come up with the idea of Cos IQ?
So, journey has been really amazing, I would say. All thanks to Shark Tank, obviously. So, we started Cos IQ in June 2021. Prior to that, I was working with a manufacturing unit wherein we used to manufacture products for big labels, small labels, and everybody. So, at that point of time, I realized that there is a gap in the market wherein customer is not getting what they are paying for. So brands or labels would write anything and everything on their labels, like 80% vitamin C, 90% vitamin C. But in reality, 80% vitamin C, if you'll apply on your face, your skin will literally burn. So the percentages and everything was not mentioned correctly because in India there are no such rules and regulations around the skincare industry. And India is a very young country, if we think about skincare. So that is how I realized that there is this gap in the market wherein we need to bring in products which are scientifically proven, scientifically backed as well, and transparent, ethical, and most importantly, affordable. So with Cos IQ, we bring international quality products at Indian prices, that is affordable prices, which gives you tangible results.
We have seen you've nurtured Cos IQ like your own baby. So how has Cos IQ, after Shark Tank, how has Cos IQ grown up?
So we call ourselves a Shark Tank brand. We were just 4.5 months old when we were there on Shark Tank, and we consider ourselves lucky enough to get the funding as well. So we are we've been growing Cos IQ on a daily basis, on a day-on-day basis. It's blood and sweat right now. It's actually like you are nurturing your own baby. So that is why on Tank as well, we showed it as our own baby. And we've been growing it. We've been trying our best to bring the best kind of products in the market and also provide people with something which was not there in the market earlier, because we have a differentiators as well, obviously. So that gives us an edge. Obviously, we do not have a first mover's advantage, but then yes, there is definitely an edge because we were telecasted getting it telecasted on a national television at a prime time slot. Because at that point of time, that slot was for KBC. So we were telecasted at that slot wherein people come, sit at night and watch television. And it was really well accepted by the population, I would say, the janta and everything. So it was very well accepted as well. And due to which, people know us, people know our brand, basically. So that is what we were there for. And the same thing happened. We've been growing since then, and touch wood, we hope to grow.
Ma'am, you talked about differentiators. So we would like to know, how is Cos IQ a differentiated brand from the competitors?
See, molecule-based skincare is there in the market, was there earlier in the market. But then the differentiator is that our formulations are in-house. We are not copying any of the international brands. Then the bottle that we use, it has a vacuum, It has a vacuum mechanism, right? So it has a vacuum mechanism. So what happened, it's an airless bottle. So the efficacy of our products remains same from the very first drop to the last drop, because it is not, coming in contact with air. So oxidization is not happening. So it keeps intact the potency of the product. Then our products are scientifically backed. All our ingredients are scientifically backed. So if you see the kind of ingredients that we are using, they are from the best of the manufacturers, raw material providers from the industry, and we are providing them at an affordable cost. We place ourselves in mass premium form, but then again, we are not charging premium for it. But if you'll see our formulations, you will see that they are international quality but affordable.
Thank you so much for interacting with us, ma'am. Thank you.